The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall, skilla.
Ready go. Lord God! He falls so far. God, man.
People are went on. I went go, man. I want him fast, man. Alright, so big up and respect to each and every one. My name is Dancehall Skilla. See it? So, we just presented a video to you that shows when shenseea chased a person that tried to throw a flower on the person. Well, at least that's the understanding that I got from the post that is on an Instagram page. So I said to you, yeah, Ramesh Instagram page. So according to what the post said that when you see a black man weighing over 200 pounds sprinting as fast as at DJ blackboi_1, just because he don't wanna make at shenseea flower him, you know, say he is a Jamaican. Yeah, you see. If we miss out some of the words, that's why I come. But for real, you know, if it wasn't for the Instagram post and the things that had been written, I would know who the person that was running from shenseea. You see me I say, but him fast. Big him up, because according to the Instagram post, you know, at that time it is said that it was his birthday. You see me? But anyways, big up shenseea, big up Ramesh, and big up DJ blackboi. Alright? Alright, now I have another video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I wondered if this video had been recorded recently. You know, this video shows many persons at a party, and this video also shows persons throwing alcohols in a fire that is on the ground. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so according to some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, you can let me know if this video has been recorded recently. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Look, me no business with no one and them hard working money, but ya know, there are some people around for waste money, you know. What a waste of money. I saw it go, you know, I saw it go. Alright, let me know what you think about that video, you viewers and subscribers. You see it? Alright, so I'm gonna move on to another topic then. You see me? So I got the information that Amari got injured. Yeah, Amari, Nico, you mash up my life well. Yeah, because you know a lot of persons know her by that song. You see me? So I got the understanding that Amari got injured. You see me? And according to some things that she said, you know, I got the understanding that she said something about a trapdoor. You see me? But you see, for you to get a better understanding, I think it is best to at least play a piece of a video from Amari to you, my viewers and subscribers. So that you can hear for yourself what she said. Alright? Alright, now here's a piece of the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I as a customer don't know that is there. No, I didn't fall. They opened the trap door. Somebody went downstairs. and they were coming back upstairs.
Okay.
But me as a customer don't know that there's a door there.
Yeah.
So I'm just walking and shopping, and then the door just opened out of nowhere and send me through to the basement. So half of my body end up in the basement and half of my body end up on the top floor.
Okay. Alright, we'll figure out what's going on.
Alright. Can you get your jacket off so I can take your blood pressure?
Okay, yeah.
Alright, I won't go up say everything is alright with Amari because, you know, I saw another part of the video that shows an injury on her leg. Like, I don't know if it's a scrape or what, but I see an injury on her leg. You see me? So, I won't go up say she alright and everything. You see me? I say? Alright, so I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video is going to show a person who goes by the name of Ricky Trooper. You see me? And Ricky Trooper said some things that gave me the understanding that he did not agree with the whole thing where it is said that churches within the country of Jamaica was being temporarily closed because of the COVID-19 pandemic, you see me, and maybe for other different reasons, who knows. However, you know, Ricky Trooper said some things in this video, and you know, I'm presenting the video to you so that you can hear some of the things that he said, and you can also let me know if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that he said. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright, now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
But I just want to say something, you know. The Prime Minister I want to talk to, you know. The Honorable Andrew Holness, you know. The Prime Minister I want to say something to. You know, you say me have an understanding. Ricky Trooper, yeah, we have an understanding. You know. See, you do what you do. You protect people of Jamaica, you run the country. You know. You do your thing. But you see, sometimes, and every decision I want to make is right, you know. I want to do things, and if you know, say, for every action, there's a reaction. Church me I talk about, you know. Crime upon the loose of Jamaica. Crime and violence upon the loose. And you can't control crime. Where everybody know, crime out of hand. I don't know no solution for crime. But you know what, balance Jamaica and make Jamaica survive. Eh? And the prayer them from with granny, with mother, you know, with sister them, from even I and I also. And poor people, cause no matter why, you know. No care how evil a man is. Everybody, when there comes a time when everybody call upon God. Now I'm going to show nothing now. It's a Prime Minister. When you lock down the church and completely, Easter, Good Friday, and Easter Sunday, no church. Come on, man. When you go some mama wanna say social distance in a church, and the people them go some mama na do it. When I hear a spike go on a church, the one spike the go on in the first half with one certain church down a whole other side. And from that you tell the church them the protocols them with them for all. I don't know about you know. I'm afraid of God. I mean, it's a God-fearing youth, and Jamaica is a place where you say God, a God that balance Jamaica. The amount of wickedness with that Jamaica are going from high places to low places. And the blessing from what Jah bestowed on us and keep us. But when time when start touch a church, then we in a problem. Them look at old people over there, them yard, and so I try to protect them from corona, so but we not kill them off more by making them can't go to church. Figure praise them God. Don't ramp with God, Mr. Prime Minister. No ramp with God. No ramp with God. Make the people them can't go to church and praise God. Mr. God-fearing youth, I'm afraid of God, and I'm going to run joke with God. And when you start take with them thing there, from all these people, who them a keep the country going with them prayers. Them a keep the country going with them prayers. Feel long this way we not get a disaster, you know. But one go come and it go serious. It a coming up, people. The disaster they a come. God a go beat way down here. God a go beat way. Because the prayers from the people them, no care how a set of people sinful, when them go up on their knee and them pray to God, God forgive. I wanna lock down the church them. I wanna go so not protect people. I wanna not protect no one like that. Locking down the church. I wanna say social distance, the people them do it and protocols a wall. See, I'm like, oh, no can in a parliament, I no can space out on yourself. See, me affiliated with that church. When me go to church, and them do that at church. And them a do it. So, oh, no cannot do it in a parliament, and the church people, them can't do it. Eh? It's a prime minister. You me a talk to. And the people them put you in here. Don't stop the people them from God church. Don't stop the people them from God church. Free up the church them.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, and I realize when it comes on to church, yeah, me defend church. You see me? So you see, like how you hear Ricky Trooper defend church, yeah, me defend church too as well. You understand? Because you see, when it comes on to church, I just me that. You understand? I just me that. You see me? I say, a church, this, you know. And no gangster parring or anything in a church. You see me? I say, me don't hear about no gangster in a church. You understand? Unless gangster go baptize or them go change your life. You see me? I say, alright, but anyways, big up and respect to each and every one. You see me? I say, let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you. Until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm name Dancehall Skilla, you know? I want to big up on yourself. You see it? Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla!
Yeah, man.